Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Draw Color Wear. Today we're going to be diving deep into the world of dolphins. Just follow along for our tutorial on how to draw. First we're starting off with the body. We're using the move tool to make sure the body is centered into where we want it to. We're going to get the body outlined, sketched out first. This is what you want to do. The front, you want to have it a little bit of a curve because that's where we're gonna be placing the eyes and the mouth, and the bottom to identify the rest of the body. Dolphins are actually one of my favorite animals. They're smart and very fascinating. Their body, the anatomy of their body is actually pretty crazy. They have a layer of blubber, so their outside is actually very super smooth, and it keeps them very warm in the water. Now we're getting the placement of the eyes and the mouth. And this, just like our last video, just a reminder, this step is just the sketch part. So a lot of things, don't worry too much about getting it perfect. We just kind of want to get an outline of what you want to be drawing. So we're going to just focus on placement of things and overall shape. We're adding in now the pectoral flippers. The dolphins use these to steer left and right. And the tail, which is also called the fluke, they use the tail to go up and down based on how they move. And I love drawing digitally because you can always resize things and move it more center, more appealing placement. It's really hard when you're just drawing on paper and pencil or other mediums to be aware of placement, but with digital, you're not really locked into it. You can just pick it up and move it however you see fit. And we use layers also to help us avoid mistakes, so that only the layer that we're using is affected, and we can always go back or delete a layer if we need to. That about wraps up the sketching phase. I'm going to create a new layer so that we can do our outline on this layer so that it doesn't connect and fuse with our sketching layer. And we do this so that this part is completely separate. We also add in whatever we want to add in and remove what we don't like, or reshape things and resize things and do anything we want to do for our final draft of the image. I also leave out details in the sketching part just to go a little bit quicker, and I'll do it in the outline phase just because it's going to be the final, and I already see where the eyes should be, so that part is no hassle. That about wraps it up for our outline part. Now we're just going to be dragging and dropping some colors in. We're going with the black for the pupil, and also, like, don't be scared to have fun with it. Just if you want the colors to be different than mine, that's all good. If you want to, change up the colors in the eyes, if you want to add eyelashes, just have fun with it. It's a cartoon, and cartoons kind of afford you the freedom to just kind of have a little bit more artistic freedom. Also want to make a note at this part of the video. If you've been following along this far, we greatly appreciate your support, and a way that you can show us support is by liking and subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment letting us know what you think about dolphins. We appreciate all interactions, and we'll always comment back as well. Thank you. We're diving into coloring finishing up our colors, so now we're going into shading. Dolphins are again like really truly fascinating creatures. Not many people know this, but they have their own sort of language. They speak in clicks. Scientists believe they have a unique whistle that is kind of like how they name each other. Their language is made up of clicks and whistles and body movements even. But it's amazing. Along with their interesting language, they also use echolocation. That's how they navigate in the ocean and also hunt for food. So basically they send out this sound waves that bounce off of objects, and it helps them see with sound, kind of like how sonar is used. Pretty fascinating. Another point of fascination about dolphins is their social life and how playful they are. Being super social, they actually are oftentimes seen in groups. The groups are called pods. They love playing games. They surf waves. They also help each other out when one of them is injured, which is really cool. Alongside their social interactions and playful nature, they're also well known for building special bonds with humans, and their interactions with humans are actually one of wonder also. There's many stories of people being stranded at sea and getting rescued by dolphins. They guide the boats also back to safety. They're just truly a wondrous creature. One way we're using color to make this image pop is whites. We add some shading, but we'll add like coats of white to separate the shaded areas from like the lightened areas. We'll also do like a little bit of circles to kind of identify certain spots. That about wraps it up. Make sure you sign your picture and date it if you'd like. It's always great to go back to old work and see your own progression. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe. Take care for now.